Hangzhou Soar Security Technology Company Limited is a leading service provider specializing in PTZ and zoom camera design, manufacturing, and sales. We have a full range of front-side CCTV products, including zoom camera module IR speed dome, mobile surveillance camera, multi-sensor PTZ long-range surveillance camera, gyroscope stabilization marine camera, as well as other customized cameras for special purpose. As a technology-oriented company, Soar Security has established a complete multi-level R&D system that includes every operation from research to design development, testing, technical support, and service, engaging in the research on PCB design, mechanic design, optical design, software, and AI algorithms development. In China, except those security giants, our company is one of the few mid-sized companies that have the ability to independently develop and design complete software and hardware products. Over the past several years, Soar Security deepened its knowledge and experience in meeting customer needs in various vertical markets, including public security, mobile surveillance, law enforcement, marine surveillance, military, and homeland security. So far, we have provided ODM/OEM services to more than 180 customers in over 40 countries around the world. Soar Security won the honor of National High-Tech Enterprise. We're glad to work together with you and bring you the satisfied products. Committed to innovation and quality, Soar Security partners with clients to deliver cutting-edge, reliable products that exceed expectations. We are committed to delivering cutting-edge, reliable solutions tailored to your needs. Let's collaborate for excellence.